Apple, Nike, and Coca-Cola. These three legendary companies have one common marketing trait, which is great copywriting. Copywriting is the art of using words to persuade people to take action. It's a critical skill for marketers to master, and today we're going to share 10 copywriting tips to help you become a better marketer. Apple, Nike, and Coca-Cola are very good. When I mean good, they are experts when it comes to copywriting. Welcome to Billionaire, the channel that highlights success through the lens of businesses and beyond. Here are 10 copywriting tips to help you master marketing like these legendary companies. Number 1. Nail the headline. A catchy title is the headline of a content article that contains elements to persuade readers to read it. Writing an effective headline can be an essential element of your content. A catchy title can bring a customer to your article by explaining what's in it or what value the reader can get from clicking on it. Headlines can be a good way to encourage more and more readers to engage with the content, increasing your influence and readership over various articles. While your article may contain important information, people are more likely to read it if the title engages them. Example: make your headline short, punchy, and eye-catching. Number 2. Don't sell features. Sell superpowers. Great copywriting isn't about what your product can do. It's about what your product can help the reader become. By framing your product as a superpower, you're tapping into the reader's sense of identity and helping them see how your product can help them achieve their goals and dreams. This can be a powerful motivator for people to make a purchase, as they feel like they are investing in their personal growth and development. When creating copy for your product or service, think about the superpowers that it can provide to your target audience. Will it help them save time? Boost their confidence? Make them more productive? By highlighting these benefits in your marketing materials, you can help your readers see how your product can help them achieve their own superpowers and become the best version of themselves. Example: Nike doesn't sell you sneakers, it sells you greatness. Number 3. Address their concerns. Every customer has concerns before they buy a product. Could be price, safety, durability, or privacy. Address these concerns directly to build trust. By acknowledging and addressing their concerns directly, you can demonstrate that you understand their needs and that you're committed to providing them with the best possible solution. You can also provide reassurance by highlighting any safety certifications or quality standards that your product meets. If privacy is a concern, explain how you handle and protect customer data. Customers appreciate honesty and authenticity, and by showing that you're willing to work with them to address their concerns, you can create a positive customer experience that leads to repeat business and referrals. Example: Apple tackled privacy concerns head-on when launching its new iPhone. Number 4. Make them laugh. Some people like to think, but everyone loves to laugh. Humor makes your product memorable. Don't be afraid to stand out by mixing in a little humor. Humor can be a powerful tool in copywriting and marketing. It can help make your brand more memorable and engaging, and it can create a positive emotional connection with your audience. Using humor in your copy can help you stand out from the competition and make your brand more relatable to your target audience. It can also help break down any barriers or resistance that your audience may have and make them more open to hearing your message. Number 5. Incentivize action. Don't just get them to read. Get them to take the next step. Use words that drive action. The ultimate goal of copywriting and marketing is to get your audience to take action. Whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or scheduling a consultation, it's important to use language that motivates and incentivizes action. By using language that drives action and offering clear incentives for taking the next step, you can increase engagement and drive conversions for your brand. Example: one way to do this is by using strong calls to action, CTAs, that clearly and concisely tell your audience what you want them to do next. Number 6. Use numbers. Using numbers is a powerful way to add precision and specificity to your copywriting and marketing. Numbers provide concrete evidence of your product or service's benefits and can help build trust and credibility with your audience. When using numbers in your copy, it's important to focus on the specific benefits or advantages that your product or service offers. Examples: be precise, be specific, don't just tell them you're better, tell them exactly how much better you are. Number 7. Rhyme. Rhyme and repetition make a sentence more memorable. It's why poetry and song lyrics sound so catchy. Rhyme and repetition are powerful tools in copywriting and marketing. They can help make your message more memorable, catchy, and engaging for your audience. Number 8. Sell outcomes instead of features. Readers don't care about your product features. They care about what problems your product will solve for them. Instead of showing them features, show them what success looks like. Example. Number 9. De-risk the decision. People are often hesitant before making a purchase. Overcome this hesitation by using social proof. Share success stories from other happy customers just like them. Example, using social proof can be an effective way to de-risk a decision and alleviate any hesitations a potential customer may have. Number 10. Write a killer call to action, CTA. Great copywriting starts with persuading the reader and ends with the reader taking action. Don't just use any generic CTA. Use a CTA that aligns with the next steps that you want the reader to take. Example. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it helpful. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment letting us know what you thought.